everybody, Jim King. I'm out here in Olathe, Kansas with our A-team, the Amigos, the King Piers Cartel. We've got here a 5-pier project. We've got 3 piers going on the back side, King Pier IIs. One gonna go on this side of the house and one on the other side. Stay tuned as we make this house. It's 3.5 inches low here compared to the north side. The homeowner of this project hired another foundation piering contractor approximately about a month ago. I'm not going to mention who they are, but if you listen to the radio, you hear about them. They piered the high side of the house, which is not what that guy wanted. We're piering the low side, going to bring it up to the north side. 3.5 inch raise. For all your foundation repair needs, we are the very best at raising footings. Give us a call, 816-521-8915, or go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.